Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WordPress video series. In this video, I'm going to install a free plugin which will help you improve the performance and the speed of your website. The name of the plugin is WP Optimize. This plugin has free as well as premium version. However, in this video, I'm going to install only the free version of the plugin and we will see if this free plugin improves the speed and the performance of your WordPress website. If you're working on the search engine optimization, then you know the importance of the speed of your website. If your website is running slow, then people will leave your website. So you need to improve the speed of your website, and this plugin will help you improve the speed of the website. So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo website that I have created using Elementor and Elementor template kit, and I'm going to install the free WP Optimize plugin on this WordPress website. Before we install the plugin, we will check the speed of the current website, and after installing the plugin and changing the settings on the plugin, we will again compare the speed of the website. So let's go to the Google Page Speed Insights. This is a free tool where you can analyze your website speed. So I'm going to enter the URL of the current website and click on Analyze. And I'm going to use another website, that is GTmetrix. This is also a free tool. So enter the URL and click on Analyze. It's going to take a minute. In previous videos, I have shown you how to use the Lightspeed cache plugin. This is also a cache plugin which will help you improve the speed of the website. In another video, I installed the Airlift plugin, which is also going to help you optimize the speed of your website. This is a cloud-based plugin. If you want to watch these videos, I'll give you the links in the description box. You can watch these videos also. Let's go back to the speed, and here you will see the current speed of the website is 76 on the mobile and 91 on the desktop. So this demo website already has better speed. If I go to GTmetrix, you will see the performance is 64%. All right, let's go back to the website and let's go to dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new plugin. Here search for WP Optimize. And this is the plugin WP Optimize Cache, Compress Images, Minify and Clean Database to boost page speed and performance. And you can see that this plugin has been installed on more than 1 million WordPress websites. So click on Install now. It's going to take a minute. Before we start with the installation of the plugin, let me inform you that today's video is brought to you by BreakDance. I have already published a video on how to install and use the BreakDance plugin. BreakDance is the modern visual website builder for WordPress. It is easy for beginners to learn and powerful enough for the most advanced professionals. BreakDance is loaded with features including a premium pre-made template library, a robust form builder, AI content writing capabilities, a versatile pop-up builder, and seamless WooCommerce integration. Whether you are just starting your WordPress journey or you are a seasoned pro looking for a better builder for your agency, now is the perfect time to build better websites with BreakDance. Try it today and experience the BreakDance difference. I'll give you the link in the description box if you want to watch the detailed video on how to use the BreakDance plugin and what are the features in the BreakDance plugin. Alright, so the WP Optimize plugin is installed. Click on Activate Plugin. Right in the left hand panel, you will see the option WP Optimize. Click on it. Now we are on the dashboard of the plugin. Thank you for installing WP Optimize. And at the top, you will see different tabs: database, images, cache, and Minify. Currently, we are on the database, and here you will see the option run all selected optimizations. So all these databases will be optimized if you click on run all selected optimizations. So I'm going to click on it. It is optimizing the database now. It also says that take a backup of your WordPress website before doing this, and you can use Updraft Plus plugin. I have already published a detailed video on how to use the Updraft Plus backup plugin. All right, so it seems that it is done. At the top, you will see tables. So all these tables are available on your website, whether manually or on a schedule. These settings apply whenever a relevant optimization is run. All right, keep last 2 weeks data and always keep 2 post revisions. You can also enable schedule cleanup and optimization. You will need to check this box and schedule the optimization weekly, daily, fortnightly, or monthly. All right, so these are the database settings. Once done, you can click on Save Settings. Then go to Images. These are the images settings. So this plugin will also help you compress the size of the images on your WordPress website. If you have big size images, then it is going to increase the page load time and it will make your website load slower. In that case, you can compress the image size on your website, which will help you increase the speed of the website. So that feature is available. You can enable this option, automatically compress whenever you add a new image to your WordPress website. So it is going to do it automatically whenever you upload a new image to your website. Here you will see compression option, prioritize retention of detail, which is by default selected. If you go to custom, you will see different customization option. For the compression of the image, you can change the compression level from here. I'm going to select this one. And if you want to compress all the images which are currently available, you can select all and click on compress the selected images. All the images on this website are already compressed. Let me show you the size. Let me unselect all these and let's open one of the images from here. This is the image. The size of this image is 135 KB. So I'm going to compress this image only. So it's going to take some time to compress one image. If you select all the images, you can start compressing all the images with one click. All right, so it says one image is compressed. Let's click close. This one is 135. If I go to library and if I go to the same image again, here you will see the file was compressed from 134.88 to 131. So there is a compression and it has reduced the size. If you want to reduce the size of each image manually, you can simply go to media library, select the image, and you will see the option to compress the image. It will also show you the current size of the image. Okay, so this is another tool that you can use to improve the speed of your website. Then we have image dimensions. You can customize the dimension. However, these options are available only for the premium version. You can also create WebP version of the image. You will see an option here, create a WebP version of the image. A WebP is another image format, which is a faster image format. Okay, next is cache. You can enable the cache. Here you will see the option page cache. Enable page caching is now enabled, and purge the cache option is there. If you have separate mobile website, then you can generate separate files for the mobile devices. So make sure to enable this option and click on Save Changes. Then preload. This action will trigger WP Optimize to cache the site by visiting pages to preload them. So I'm going to click on Run now. All right, so it's done. You can activate the scheduled cache preloading. You can enable this box, enable this option, and from here you can schedule preloading. Once done, you can click on Save Changes. Then we have advanced settings. I don't think you need to go through these advanced settings. The compression will be gzip and static file headers. All right, next is minify. You can enable the minify from here. Process HTML, process JavaScript files, and process CSS files. So it is going to minify all these files. You will see the settings for these options. JavaScript, enable, and exclude the JavaScript from processing, and defer JavaScript, so you do not need to make any changes here. We will keep it on default settings. CSS minify option is there, fonts minify, analytics is for the premium settings, merge inline extra CSS and JavaScript. I don't think you need to make any changes here. Click Save Changes. So these are the basic settings of this plugin. You can go to this settings option, but again, you don't need to make any changes here. So we have changed the database, images, cache, and minify settings. Let's refresh it here, and you will see the purge cache option here at the top. So whenever you want to purge the cache, you can simply click on purge all cache, purge cache for all pages, and purge minify cache. Now we're going to check the speed of the website again. So I'm going to open new Google Page Speed Insights and new GT Metrics. I'm going to enter the URL of the website. Start with the Google Page Speed Insights. Click on Analyze and enter the same URL in GT Matrix. If you have any other tool to check the speed, you can use that. The desktop speed is same. If I go to mobile, for this one it was say 76 and now it is 77. See, the speed of this demo website was already better, so there is a little scope of improving the page speed using this plugin because it was already better speed. If I go to GT Matrix, the performance is improved in GT Matrix. It was 64%, now it is 68%. So definitely there is an improvement in performance of your website using this plugin. If your website performance is not good, if you want to improve the page speed of your website, then you can try installing this plugin. Go with the default settings that I have shown you in this video, and definitely it will improve the speed of your website. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.